In this video, I will share how to utilize Google My Business. If you already have a verified listing account, keep watching. Let's get started now. The first tip is about the post feature. Do you know Google My Business actually able to post something like social media? If you are using desktop, the post will appear at the Google result on the right side. For smartphone view, it will appear under the update tab at the Google result and Google Map app as well. Go and test all the posting option according to your products or services. I will highly suggest make use of the add a button option. I link to your website. If you already have video material from your social media, you can also upload to create a post. However, there's one caveat. The post only lasts for 7 days for the desktop view. The second tip is fill in all the available field and upload photos. Remember to insert all the info, category, description, services, or products. Check the operating hours, website, phone number is accurate and still up to date. For the photo section, upload a proper square logo, cover photo, or even the 360 photos, interior photo if relevant to your business. Report the non-related user-generated photos when you found from the photos gallery in Google My Business. Make it clean. Don't forget to add the primary keywords that can explain well about your company. And the description will display around the first 30 words if searched from desktop. The third tip is about the Google review. First and foremost, regardless good or bad review, please reply all. So everyone is aware you really care for your customer and good for your branding. Actually, after you create the profile short name, you will have your own unique Google review link. Once you have the link, figure out the best method or moment to ask your happy client to write a good Google review. You should know reviews are extremely important to affect the final buying decision. Ask yourself, how many of you never read and glance through any review comments in online marketplace before you buy? Okay, that's all for the tips about how to utilize Google My Business. I believe Google My Business is not something new to most of us, but the platform and functionality already enhanced, and you might still not aware. Thanks for watching and see you again. Remember to like, comment, and share this video.